Going to Boston, let's do a try on. Should I stay or should I go? Should we play that game? It's a good game. This is daytime look. Now you know that I already have these in a Walmart version, Spanx version, and Amazon colorful koala version, so all three are going. They don't take much room, they don't do much packing. I'm Floridian, so I'm going to be freezing. They're saying it's gonna be like 50s, 60s, 70s. 50 might as well be 0, might as well be -17. No, no, I like this. Can I accessorize it? Let's see. I just got this trench in from Amazon and I got it in medium and I thought it's Amazon Essentials, which I love. It feels really good. I should send it back to get a size small. I'm thinking like a Floridian. If I think like a Northerner, then I would know that you need to be a size up to fit this sweater. I'm learning, okay? I don't even know how to wear these. You guys can tell me. Do it like this, like tie it back like this. It fits. Let's see. This is medium. It's wool. It's pretty fantastic. Let's see. We'll put it on with different outfits. I'm just trying to see if it fits. Yeah, see, with the sweater, it's better. I mean, I actually feel weird because I don't wear coats and I don't wear lots of clothes, but this is good. This in too. This I got a size small. Beautiful, super soft. Is it Amazon Essentials? Yes, Amazon Essentials. I love Amazon Essentials. This is super soft, super cute. I love it. I wanted just a plain black. Ooh, I like the full black monochrome moment. Likey. Let's try it with a jacket. What do we think? Cute. The boots are really, they go with everything. Make your legs look longer. We like it. Oh, I got a good idea. I dare not wear the Yankees one. I don't want to get beat up in Boston. I want it to be a good trip. So here we go. I forgot I had this. Size small, Amazon Essentials, but it's a long coat, but it's rain resistant. It's like a raincoat / coat. It's giving me Boston vibes. I like it. Let's see it like this. What my mom taught me a trick when I was young. Hold the sleeve. There. Hold the sleeve. Little Red Riding Hood. I'm really liking the trench. I'm not sure how to tie it in the back. I have to research it. This is a really nice coat. What am I doing here? Help us this around. Okay. Oh, like this? Oh, this perfect. You already know how much I love this one. I've already worn this. This goes too. This is my look. I'm bringing all three. Spanx, Colorful Koala, Walmart. All three are going. This is one of the best jackets. So good. This is just called brown, but it's more like a khaki, I think. Now the skirt is not from Amazon. It is from Zara, but it's not really a skirt, it's shorts. But it's too cold, we're gonna wear it with tights. Much better. Actually, I think this would be really cute with the short boots too. Oh, I like this. That's super cute. Little Red Riding Hood. All right, these boots, the shorty stocky ones that I already showed you, that looks really cute too, because I can wear it. I like it with the red. Oh my gosh, it's a lot of work on it. Next outfit, hold on. I'm packing this as I go. Another day look. Sweater dress that I hope you can still get, I don't know. Longer in the back, shorter in the front, and then, hold on, there we go. A little waist cinching, and if I want, I can even go like this. Do I want to? That's the question. No, I don't. This is a for sure. This is a for sure. We're doing this daytime. This thing has a hood, by the way, and it's driving me crazy. But you can detach it, but I just don't feel like it because I'm hot. Not really in Boston yet. It's hot. Okay, daytime. I guess I could also put with the red jacket. Ooh, okay. Okay. Yes. Nighttime. I'll be wearing this the whole time, so there's no way I'm carrying a bag all the way around. It's annoying. Really super affordable. I think this is the coat I'm bringing. This is the one. It goes with everything. I don't have to worry about it. Adorable. If I have to pick a pair of boots, it's gonna be these ones. I can't pack that much. It's a pain in the butt. This is actually really cute too. And I can wear my jacket. And then I can put the little white purse over this. Roll this up so you can see the sleeves. Okay. Okay. talls or smalls? I think it might look cuter with this. Yeah, that's cuter. It's cuter. Okay, I think. What do you think? This is my favorite item. This is it. I've never had, this is the only one I've ever had. So I'm going by this one. It's Amazon Essentials. It's amazing. It's beautiful. It's super soft. It almost feels like kind of suede-y, but like a little bit less suede-y. Like you can just tell you can get this wet. It's gonna be no problem. There we go. Can't wait, can't wait.